Hello, friends. How are you? It is a beautiful day today. It's supposed to rain. And I actually have a meeting, but I just wanted to bring you a quick haul. I hope you watched my video yesterday. I'm getting a lot of responses from that. That may be a new angle. I do have more to come on that subject. And I just genuinely hope it helps somebody. But, I do have an Ollies haul for you today. So this Ollies haul will also contain stuff from the Mother's Day giveaway. So look at my Mother's Day video. And I think I'm just going to run it 7 days. And so far it's only 1 or 2 entries. So hey, I only showed 2 items. It's going to be a box of stuff related to gardening. So you may want to go ahead and check that video out and see how you enter. So I went to Ollie's today and I found these tasty dinner kits, creamy salsa, Verde chicken. I already had a little small pack of chicken in there to use for this. And it was only 99 cents. And it says all you need is the chicken, red bell peppers, oil, cilantro, which most of us have in our garden, water, and salt. And it's the whole meal with the rice and everything other than those things. So I thought this was something good to try. If they're good, I'm going to go pick up some more for 99 cents. And this was the only flavor they had. So I'll update you on whether it's good or not. May cook that this weekend. I always buy this. This is just syrup for my coffee. It's $1.19. It used to be 99 cents, but now it's $1.19, such as everything went up. And so I did say Amazon had these on sale, this is the hanging suet bird feeder, but they're even cheaper at Ollie's. They're $1.79. So I brought one of these for the giveaway and one of the 97-cent cakes for the giveaway, because birds are beneficial for the garden. And they pick up those hornworms and other pests and insects that we may miss. So they will go around and look for stuff. And once you bring them out there, they'll go around and look for some of those pests too. So I actually picked up 3 of those because I had some of the cakes in the other haul. And they actually had some cakes for 89 cents. So this one was, the high energy was 97, and the raisin nut was 89 cents. So I'm going to put one of the cages and a high energy in the giveaway. Also, people have been hauling these from the Dollar Tree, something like this. I had one in my last haul, but it was a different version. It was another brand, but they had this one. This was a whole different Ollie's. We have 2 in town here, so this was a whole different one, and it's a different kind. It's a Perrier Energized. It has caffeine, yerba mate, and a pomegranate flavor, and there are 6 cans in here for $1.99. So if you find them at the Dollar Tree in the box, they're probably going to charge you the $1.25, but I'm hearing people find them in the box some places, buy the can in the other places, and it's $1.25 either way. So be on the lookout for that, but if for all other purposes, just go on to Ollie's, where there's no debate and no hunt, because you'll waste that 75 cents in gas. Okay, also going in the giveaway, I found almanacs, 2022 almanacs for $1.99. And it's the Town and Country Almanac 2022, 16 months of weather forecasting. So I'm going to include this in the giveaway. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that interruption. So I have 2 almanacs. They were $1.99, 2022 almanacs. So I'm putting one of these in the giveaway. Now, this book is not for me. It's for my cousin. I showed it to her. And most of this haul is books. And then I have one big item that every gardener needs. And I've been looking all over town for them. Glad to find one. But this book is for my cousin. It is Homegrown Marijuana. Create a hydroponic growing system in your own home. This book was $7.99. For those that do that, again, this is for my cousin. You can check her channel at the Gardenista, but not mine. Okay, somebody may be interested. We're all growers. Whatever we're growing something. So I have this book, The Herbal Apothecary. I can't pronounce that word. Oh my gosh. But it's profiles of 89 herbs, including their common therapeutic properties, recipes, applications, and photographs. So if we are in a situation where we can't Google something or that plant identified, they have photographs of the plants here. And this was $6.99. It retails, oh, they don't have the retail in here, but they have pretty, vivid pictures, saw palmetto, how to use the herbs, how to set them up. This was a good find. If it wasn't $7.99, I probably would have bought it. $6.99, I probably would have bought it for the giveaway. And I may reconsider, I don't know. Then I have this book, Natural Remedies. Work with nature to protect your body and promote healing. And this one was $5.99. So this has vivid pictures. So if I find that this is the same as the other one, I may pick one to give away. Bladder and kidney issues, you know, all kinds of great stuff. But I thought I bought 2 of something. I guess I didn't. I messed that one up. I thought I bought 2 of something to give away. But apparently I didn't. Other than the almanac. Thought I bought 2 of these. But this book is Community Gardening Handbook. The Guide to Organized Planning and Caring for a Community Garden. And now this is not one I checked, but it kind of, you know, it got picture instructions, a lot of reading material. And it was $4.99. And I believe around the next holiday, they'll come out with a coupon. So you might, check your stores now. But also check them, you know, if it's something you know you won't want to wait on, get it now. But when the coupon comes out, you can go and then stock up then. Because some people do have a 15% coupon. I just didn't. I wish I did. So this one was the Indoor Edible Garden. And it was $6.99. Now these books never used to be that expensive. The retail was $13.99. And it seems like Ollie is raising the price on their books. But mushrooms, carrots, Mediterranean mix. And they're saying you can do all this indoors. Microgreens. So if we are locked, trapped in our houses and cannot garden outside, here you go. And by the way, I did find some clearance 24-inch light bulbs for plants at Walmart, and they were $2.56 a piece. Now I have to find something to put them in. But that's something good to have in the event we are stuck indoors with our solar generators and have to grow our food. So, had a call, sorry. Okay, then I have landscaping with fruits and vegetables. This is a big hardback book, and it was $6.99. Normally some of these books will have the suggested price. U.S. price. I want you to see that. $45 U.S. I didn't see that when I bought it, but oh my goodness. That's a good deal. $45 US. So this book, elderberry, dwarf figs, Mohawk plums, all kinds of stuff. Zones, the zones. This seems like a very, very good book. And I am also going to show you some more pictures of books following this video. So don't click off. I'm going to show you some stuff I did not buy, but that you may need. So you'll know where to find it, where it is. I show the book, then I zoom in on the price. So please continue to watch after I close out, because I will include those pictures at the end. Then this one right here, making your own wine at home. Now I will admit this one is mine, and it was $3.99, cheaper than a bottle of cheap wine. I tell you, $3.99 to make your own wine at home. They got cherry wine. They got grow your own. Using herbs and flowers for winemaking. I would love to read up on how to use roses to make wine. So cranberry wine, Old Vine Zinfandel. They have it all in here. So, I saw some peaches too, and I got a peach tree. I hope it produces so I can make peach wine, because I love a good peach wine. Peach and look like nectarines. Pumpkin wine. Oh, wow. Pluot wine, plum wine, pear wine. Got a pear tree. And there's the peach wine. So this was an amazing book. And at $3.99, I probably should have bought y'all one. If I make it back over, I might buy one for the giveaway. Not sure. That's if I make it back over that way. I got to have 10 things to do with the price of gas now on that side of town. But this is the Edible Garden, Country Gardeners. It was $4.99. And planting, and cultivating. Carrots and radishes, which I struggled with this time. Not sure why. It tells you about the harvest, the pests and diseases, all kinds of stuff. And it says, grow your own fruits and herbs and vegetables, no matter where you live. Good book. So, that's all the books. And the star of the show, I'm going to get a thumbnail on this. They are on sale at Ollies this time. And you can put a whole fruit tree. So if you're a renter, put your fruit trees in this and take them with you. No excuses. These were $7.99 each. I don't see a tag, but they're $7.99 and they're in the ad. So that is the haul for today. I'm going to put the bird seed in the bird cake and the almanac in the giveaway. There's other stuff in the giveaway too. So just go watch that video. I'll link it above and go ahead and enter the contest. I think I'm going to end it Sunday. I'm going to have a picker or figure out how to use a picker or tell my son to pick it or something. So it's going to be the contest, and then I'll come back to show you what all is going in the box. At that time, I will have reached out to the winner and announced the winner on the video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the other pictures of stuff I didn't buy, because I can't take that whole store out just to show y'all. I cannot be spending this kind of money. So now if you see something you want it, the Cash App is in the description box. Send the Cash App and I might mail it to you. But let me know. And if you can't find it in your area, send a cash out, shipping and handling. Let me know what you wanted. I might be going on and get it for you. So I hope you like this video. Click the like button, comment, subscribe to my channel, because I have all kinds of content. And yes, I'm all over the place, but all of it's good information. And you have a wonderful day. Be good. And plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Bye-bye. Stay tuned for the clips. Bye-bye.